What's going to happen when you fill up the form? This is what's going to happen. First thing, our system will let us know that somebody filled up the form, and also there is automated information to send it to you. The whole idea in here is to make sure you got all the information, because this is a big investment for you, and I know you don't want to make a decision. That's why I know you don't want to make a mistake. I'm sorry. So the last thing is for you to make a mistake. For that, we're gonna share all the information so you can make a well-informed decision. From there, we're gonna have a quick chat about your project, understand your timeline, your expectation, what's the most important thing from you, what's your vision. Once we understand that, we will offer a couple of options, a couple of solutions for your problem. And then from there, we'll see how we can help you with the next steps. Don't be afraid. We'll make sure we'll take care of you. The entire process is designed to give the best experience and help you as quick as possible. Take care.